Characterize and analyze the behavior of materials, components, and assemblies with a materials testing module for IntelliMESUR force testers. IntelliMESUR calculates stress, strain, Young's modulus, yield strength, offset yield strength, ultimate strength, and rupture. For bend tests, IntelliMESUR also calculates flexural modulus. Measure sample thickness, gauge width, and gauge length for input during setup. Select grips best suited to the sample. Attach upper and lower grips. Secure the sample. Using Follow Me, push and pull on the force sensor to position it before testing. IntelliMESUR plots stress versus strain, while also displaying live force and distance data. The crosshead can stop and reverse automatically at sample rupture. IntelliMESUR auto-plots Young's modulus. To manually redraw it, select 2 points. All relevant calculations adjust to the new modulus. View results for each run. Select from a variety of results, timestamp and sample dimensions. Save run data or results as a CSV file. Create a PDF report containing test results, system information, and a graph. Overlay up to 10 runs for visual comparison. For more information, visit www.mark-10.com/materials testers.